Yo guys, Weekend Modder here with a quick send-in service proof video for Nick G. Nick, this is the Trinity console that you send in for service. It was RGH using the Ace V3 and CR4 speedup file. We left the LEDs the default green as per your request on the send-in form. So we've got the original NANDs on the disk, we've got Freestyle Dash Launch XCX menu, Aurora Dash all pre-installed on the console. As you just saw, nice fast boot time there. By default, the console is going to start up here into Freestyle Dashboard. Dash Launch and XCX menu are also preloaded. Check out the video links in your final confirmation email, as there's a link to a playlist and a little guide video that are pretty helpful. So definitely thank you for your business. We'll go ahead and get this thing put together and packed up, and it'll actually go out on its way back to you today. Thanks so much.